good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today what we'll be talking about is how to properly brush your hair the correct way, okay? To get them angles to connect, okay? You see a lot of people, they have those waves just going around like it's a beehive. I'm gonna teach you guys how to properly do that, and let's just get straight into it. All right, guys, so we're gonna start straight off with the first brush angle, okay? Get this together. All right, so first things first. All right, we're going straight up. That's how we're gonna brush, straight up. Okay, next brush angle. Okay, brushing diagonally. Okay, that's how we're gonna do it. All right. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys the difference, okay? So basically you're brushing straight. So you see that tip right there? All right, that's how far you're gonna brush, and then you're gonna switch the angle up and you're gonna pretty much feel it. Now when you brush like this, don't overlap, okay? You see I just said we brushing right here, and that angle stops right there, like towards the corner of my head. So once you flip that, you know, brush in the diagonal, okay? Straight down, okay? Now, the next move is straight down. But I like to do it in a slant because for some reason, my waves keep going like that. Well, put it like this, the curve brush, okay? Curve brush is like it actually fits the top of your head like all the way down. So I started brushing like this and then brushing like that, and then for some reason I would brush like this and then brush like that and kind of overlap. So that's the reason why that happened. But we're gonna get back into it. You're gonna brush straight down. All right, now you see this slant right there? Now this is how I brush my hair, okay? Now you're gonna brush that straight down, okay? And that's pretty much how you do it. And you're gonna start back from the top, all right? So it's 3 different ways you can do that, okay? You can brush like the way I just showed you, and then you can brush like this, straight down that first half, that second half, then that third half. You're gonna brush that third half straight down, and you're gonna brush back like behind your ear. Then I mean, you can brush straight down, but I'm trying to show you guys the different variations you can use. So you're gonna use that side, and then you're gonna use that side. And we're gonna do the same as the other side. We're gonna start from the back, then diagonally, again, back to the top. All right, that's the second kind that you can do. Or you can mix it up. Like this is what I did when I first started. I mixed it up. I just brushed straight down, and then I did it this way. Brushed it just like that. All right. When I get back to the back, I started brushing like this. So it's different ways you can do it. So those are the 3 ways that, you know, that could help. But I prefer you guys to do this and then switch it up, because your angles will definitely connect, okay? So a lot of you guys probably wondering what I mean by connecting, okay? All right, so usually when you get waves, like, of course you're gonna get it up here, but sometimes it's hard to like connect it from this angle because a lot of people don't understand. Like they're just brushing like this, and then when they get to right here, they're not getting nowhere. They're leaving that space between here, and that's why they don't connect. So you gotta make sure when you brushing, at least hit that angle. You know what I'm saying? So once you become a pro at brushing, you'll be able to understand, okay, I'm gonna brush this right here, but my head is a little bigger than most people, so I'm gonna have to like brush to the little tip right there and then go back into this. You see what I'm saying? So it just it depends on who you are, like as far as your head angles. Like I got a big head, so of course I'm that type of person. I'm gonna have to brush like this and like that, but I know what I'm doing now, so I'm brushing like this, okay? But I'm getting a lot of forks, a lot of disconnections or whatever, because I'm going for a swirl now. So basically I'm brushing from my crown, and that's the key to having perfect waves. Well, you ain't gonna have perfect waves, but great connections. It's gonna make your hair look better. So you want to start from the crown, okay, and brush downward, okay? Start from the crown and brush downward. Start from the crown, go all the way to the tip of your line. Go all the way down, because you don't want to have waves from and stop like right there, and then like the little tip part is just no wave there. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you brush all the way towards the tip of your hair. All right. So like I said, I'm trying to go for a swirl, but I'm gonna teach you guys how to just brush the way to get a beehive. All right. So because that's what most people go for. They just brushing downward, brushing from the crown. Okay. So that's the key. Now my crown, when you get a fresh cut, that is gonna show you like what your weaknesses are in your waves. And as you can see, my crown is not good, but it's not bad either. But it's not that good. I still got a lot of work to do. I've been slipping. But you can see I got a lot of forks here. It's a little disconnection here. I'm still working on this back here, and it looks like I'm starting to mess up a little bit right here. So I'm gonna start back brushing this way, because I was brushing like this. So I'm gonna start back brushing this way and see how it goes. But it just depends. Or you guys can start brushing like right here, and then start brushing from your crown, just giving it a tap. You know what I'm saying? Just going around. All right, so pretty much that's how you brush your hair. Like I said, those are the techniques to brush your hair. Now with the washing style, that's most definitely gonna help you. Once you start brushing, you'll start seeing like the foaming up on your hair. You'll see, like most of the time when you're brushing your hair, it's like right here, and right there. So it just depends, but that's the key to getting great angles. Keeping that brush at a decent angle. Now take your time. You don't have to brush like this. You know what I'm saying? And stop counting how many times you brush. Like a lot of people say, oh, I'm gonna do 100 here, I'm gonna do 100 here. But y'all don't realize that y'all missing this little part right here that connects. You know what I'm saying? So when y'all miss that part, now y'all see here y'all got little waves here, little waves there. Then you have this whole little spot where it's just nothing. So that's pretty much the key to how to do it though. Just pay attention to what you're doing. Take your time. The slower you brush, the more accurate it'll be. So that's pretty much it, guys. Leave a like, subscribe. Once you subscribe, please hit the notification bell so you can be notified once I get the next video out. But that's all I got, guys. Yeah, so pretty much that's it. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Keep me posted on whatever you want to see, and what you don't understand, I'll figure out a way to explain it to you better. But pretty much that's it. I got my hair cut like, what was it? I want to say Thursday. Yeah, I got it cut Thursday. Shout out to my barber. Probably one of the best barbers in Mississippi. But yeah, like I said, man. And also, you're only as good as your barber too, man. Make sure that your barber listens. And like I said, my barber, he listens. Like I say, I want a wavelength. I want a low taper. And you see, like, some people get their taper like all the way up here. You don't want that. You want to be right here so you can let them waves reach all the way down here. Or you can just get a straight haircut, you know what I'm saying, all around. You ain't got to worry about losing your waves. But me, once I woof to a certain point, my do-rag starts to cut right here. You know what I'm saying? It starts to leave the little spots right there and like right here. So I just try to keep that, faded up. But it's what y'all want to do, you know what I'm saying? But leave a like, comment, subscribe, and appreciate you guys supporting me. But that's it. Appreciate you guys.